Understanding Keep in a Dry Place, a guide for English language learners. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly seen but often misunderstood phrase, keep in a dry place. This instruction pops up on everything from food packaging to medication labels. Understanding these simple instructions can make a big difference in everyday life, especially when you're navigating through the English-speaking world. So, let's unravel the mystery together. Keep in a dry place is an instruction you might find on various products, and it's crucial to understand each word to grasp the full meaning. Keep means to maintain or leave something in a particular state. In is a preposition that specifies the location or condition. A dry place refers to an area with little to no moisture. Put together, the phrase instructs you to store the item in an environment that is free from wetness or humidity to preserve its quality or longevity. You might wonder why some items need to be kept dry. Moisture can lead to several problems, such as mold, bacterial growth, or even chemical degradation. For instance, medications can lose their effectiveness, electronics can short-circuit, and food can spoil faster if exposed to moisture. Understanding and following this simple instruction can help you avoid these issues, ensuring the items you use remain safe and functional. 1. Identify a dry place. This could be a cupboard, a shelf, or a storage box away from windows, sinks, and other sources of moisture. 2. Use silica gel packets. These are often found in packaging and can be reused to absorb moisture in storage areas. 3. Check regularly. Even in dry places, conditions can change. Regular checks ensure the area remains dry and safe for storage. 4. Avoid basements and bathrooms. These areas are often more humid than other parts of a home or building. In the kitchen, keeping spices and dry goods in airtight containers can preserve their freshness and prevent clumping. Electronic storage. Devices and batteries should be stored in dry environments to prevent damage. Clothing and leather goods. To prevent mold and maintain quality, these items should be stored in dry closets or with moisture absorbers. Understanding and applying the instruction to keep in a dry place is more than a simple task. It's a way to ensure the longevity and effectiveness of various products in your home. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of this common phrase and how you can implement it in your daily life. Thank you for joining us, and remember, a little attention to such details can make a big difference. Stay curious, and keep learning.